Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact support on Phantom Wallet. If you're facing issues with Phantom Wallet like failed transactions, login problems or missing tokens, you might want to contact support. But here's something very important. Phantom does not work like normal apps. There's no public phone number or direct email you can just message. Instead, Phantom uses a secure ticket system through the official help center to protect users from the scams. So first you can open a Phantom wallet with a Face ID or your password as well. And once you get into this interface here, tap on the profile icon in the top left there. Over here you need to go to your settings. And under this setting, what you can do is scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this option for the help and support. Tap on the help and support there. And once you get into this interface of your help and support, over here you can also start typing the issue. The chatbot will guide you over here. And chatbot will also ask you the questions. You can answer clearly, problems, wallet address, issue details. Over here you can ask and you can wait for the response. Phantom support replies via reviewing your case, and you can reply to this message as well. And when contacting support, include a wallet address, transaction ID and screenshot if needed, and this helps them solve your issues faster. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.